Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to post on Bigo Live. As you can see right now, I'm on Bigo Live's homepage. You can see all these creators here, and at the top you have nearby, popular, chat, game, and virtual live. At the bottom, you can see 5 icons. One is for home, we're here right now. The other one is for explore, if you want to explore and find new creators you want to watch. The middle one is for you going live yourself. The one next to it, community, that is for the community of the app. And the one in the bottom right corner is you or me, and that goes to our profile. So to post on Bigo Live, we'll need to go on the me icon. And as you can see, we have a lot of options here. We have messages, a wallet, item bag, my post, task center, activities, level, fans group, ranking, creator center, feedback, like us on Facebook. So right under item bag, there's my post, and we're gonna click on that. And you have an option here. You can make a post. As you can see, it's on the bottom and it says post. As you can see, I have no post yet because I don't really use this app. And at the top, you can see post, liked, and drafts. So unliked, as you can see, I haven't liked any post, but this is where you can see all the posts you've liked and etc. And this is all your drafts, like some posts you didn't feel like posting. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Goodbye guys.